What's up, guys? Guys, subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Honor is launching the new Magic V3, which will hit the local and global markets. Honor Magic V3 has a super sleek design and a sharp display. Our focus today is going to be on the newly released Honor Magic V3, which is going to take a closer look at what it has to offer. The smartphone has a massive 7.29 inches LTP OLED touchscreen display and with 120Hz smooth refresh rate that is unbeatable. The Honor Magic V3 will come with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. This is most powerful chipset and there will be octa-core CPU and GPU of Adreno 750. There will be a triple camera setup back on this amazing foldable phone. And main camera will have a resolution of 50 megapixel wide lens and will make it possible for the user to get the next level of photography experience. It has a 12 and 16 GB of RAM and storage will be 256, 512 GB and 1 TB. There will be a side mounted fingerprint reader to protect your data. This Honor Magic V3 has a large 5000 mAh battery with support of 66 watt fast charging adapter and it will be able to charge itself in just a couple of minutes and battery will run all day on just charging it once. So finally, smartphone will run on Android 14 operating system. That's all for now and thanks for watching.